Good morning, everybody. I'm back out here at the Lower Green Swamp Nature Preserve, and I plan on putting in a few miles before work. Let's go see what we can run into out in the woods. I'm gonna check and see if they got a trail map. Yeah, they do. Not sure which one I'm gonna go on, but I'll find out here in a minute. Looking to do maybe 2.5, 3 miles before I gotta get my day started. Let's go see if we can see any deer. There's the beautiful sunrise coming up. A little bit of fog. It's pretty. I think I'm gonna go with the orange loop. It says 3.1 miles, but that's the loop itself. I gotta get to it first, so I better move along if I plan on getting to work on time today, because I'm on the red trail right now. This is another trail system that's within 20 to 30 minutes from my house and my work. So I typically take my daughter to school, drop her off at school, and I got about an hour and a half to 2 hours to kill. And this is what I'm deciding to do. Come enjoy the woods. Check out these deer standing there just looking at me. See a couple of them. Nope, 3. Huh. They seem to be kind of used to people right through here. All right, we're coming up to the bridge. It goes over Itchepakasassa Creek. Kind of hard to say, even harder to spell. It's just about dried up. Still flowing a little bit though. Let's keep going. So as you cross over the bridge at the creek, you stay to your left, and that'd be the orange trail, and it'll follow the creek line, as you can see there. We've had a couple of nice mornings where the humidity's not so bad, so it makes it very nice out here. Actually, it's probably 63 to 65 degrees. Beautiful. These woods are dry though, and with that dry weather, that makes a fire hazard. You sure don't want to lose control of a fire. Matter of fact, there's a fire ban anyway. So rainy season will be upon us shortly. I've hiked out here quite a bit, but usually whenever I do come, I hike the perimeter of the property, and I hike somewhere around 10 to 12 miles. So I don't recall ever hiking the interior of the property. So I don't think I've been on this trail. So I'm happy to do it this morning. Still following along the creek, which is dug out. So all the spoils, the mounds, there's all the spoils from them digging it out. But the creek's just on the other side. The orange trail just goes right next to it. Big old oak trees. Looks like some turkeys in the trail way up there. And my camera don't really pick it up. Look at these oak trees. Big old long branches on them. Pretty big at the base too, but it's outstanding how long them limbs are. Getting close to where the turkeys were. A lot of this property out here looks like this, but there is a variety out here, from pastures to prairies, oak hammocks, and creek bottoms. But a lot of it looks like that for a ways. Another big old oak tree. You can still hear the road noise, but you do get away from it as you get back in the property on the north end. Another variety that I left out is cypresses. There's a few pretty good sized cypress domes on this property too. As you can see, all the cypress knees out through the woods. Look at it. That's just plain pretty, y'all. Here's a really awesome cypress tree. Really branchy, starting low. And it's big. Huh. Just seen another deer on the other side of the fence. I want to see if they jump over. Just running down the side. I don't even know if they know I'm here yet. Oh, there they go. Now they know I'm here. Thought I seen one more. Yep. There they go. They'll run a little bit, stop and watch for me. Here's some remnants of some old cattle ranch. Out here there's, well, there's gate, fencing, but there's some corrals somewhere around here. If it ain't here, it's on a different trail, but I thought this was it. Just on the other side of that fence, there's the orange marker, but on the other side of the fence is the blue, the dark blue. And that's where the orange, let's see if I can scroll in. There we go. The orange, I'm over here. Orange and blue meet each other. So I'm right there where the little, what does that represent? Gate access. That's where I'm at. Got all this back to the bridge and back to the parking lot. There's some of the remnants. That might have been like a pole barn or something. Pretty big post through there. There could have been for corrals. That's what I was thinking of. If y'all can see right over there, the top of that, well, that rooftop, it has a picnic table underneath of it, and it looks out over a big old huge marsh. Just a beautiful spot, and it's not all that far from the parking lot. So if you wanted to just take a picnic there when it's not quite so hot, that's a great pavilion to go hang out at, and you can watch birds and all kinds of stuff out there in that marsh. I won't be going there today. Running out of time, and I'm sticking on the Orange Trail. So take some time to get out and enjoy it. All right, I'm passing up that road that goes back to that pavilion, back down that way. So it looks like the red goes that way. I've been hearing a bunch of bobwhite quail out here, which is encouraging because they've been pretty much decimated. I haven't heard them in years. It's been a beautiful morning out here, but I got to get back. So the Orange Loop pretty much comes in up there, follows that tree line, way out around, just a big loop, and then comes back through here. 3.1 miles the loop is, and then you got the connector to the parking lot. If I had to guess, overall, by the time I get there, I'll be close to 4 miles. Passing back over the bridge. All right, y'all, we're back at the parking lot. Appreciate y'all watching my videos. Like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment and let me know that you enjoy these videos that I make. I'm trying to latch the gate here. Yeah, leave me a comment so I know that y'all enjoy it. But that's gonna wrap it up. Right around 4 miles to the Lower Green Swamp Nature Preserve on the Orange Trail. Y'all have a great day.